Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1960 Triumph TR3A Roadster. Finished in signal red, Matador red interior, white top, side curtain set, 4-speed, 60-spoke painted wire wheels. The one thing I like about this car, very, very honest, straight, original car with a great body, good cosmetics. It's fitted with the later 2.2 liter engine with full synchro transmission. So it's a TR3A, but mechanically it's TR3B late specification. Really gets up and goes great. We're going to be posting a video of the car driving shortly. Within the next few days here, but yeah, let's take a walk around this car. We've had a lot of these cars, and this is probably the best TR3 with gaps that I've seen. These cars were kind of made a little bit on the crude side, but as you can see here, just beautiful panel alignment, good gapping, really nice fitting all the way around the car. It's like ball bearing gaps on this one. It's pretty incredible. Really good door fit. Really nice chrome fitting, good paint. This car was restored a little while ago, but still shows very, very nicely. But yeah, look at the fit of that trunk lid, even the spare wheel panel there. But really lovely body on this one, really straight, really nice fitting. Everything fits great. Excellent fitting grille, bumper, just a really crisp, honest body all the way around. We purchased this car from Wyoming from an 80-plus-year-old lady. It had been in her family forever. So these are the kind of cars we love to buy, just super good, honest, attractive, you know, really well loved, taken care of British sports cars. So this car was nicely done probably about 10 years ago. Really good chrome, perfect windshield. But you can see the cosmetics on this, it's just an absolute beauty. A couple little spots here we're going to touch in with some paint, just from use, and you know, just some slight age to the paint, but really nothing serious. Couple little scratches here from the side curtains being applied and used. You know, I'm sure they got some rain there in Wyoming from time to time. Little bit of paint lifting and crazing down here, but you know, you can't really see it because of the overrider, but the rest of the car is pretty lovely. You know, really nice, attractive, correct color. We fitted these 60-spoke wire wheels with brand new hubs. Wheels and tires are excellent on the car, but really a stunning, honest TR3A. Let's look at this car's interior. This interior is very nicely done. It's finished in Matador red. Dashboard's all been nicely restored. Beautiful original steering wheel. Very nice condition vinyl seats, carpets, panel kit. This is correct, being painted body color. So the top frame was painted the same color as the bodywork. But really lovely, turnkey, off-you-go TR3A. In the trunk here, we have a white soft top with a pair of side curtains, but a friend of mine once told me the only thing you need on a TR3 is a black tonneau cover, so I would recommend just putting a black tonneau on the car and you're good to go, especially if you're going to use it here in Southern California. But yeah, really good TR3. You know, out of all the ones we've seen that have been banged around front and back, this looks pretty solid and clean, and you know, panel alignment looks great. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. So this is the engine compartment on our lovely TR3A here. As you can see, this is the original VIN plate. It's still attached by those original factory rivets. It's never been off the car. I've got a feeling this was an original red car from brand new, but it's fitted with this fire-breathing Dragon 2.2 liter later big bore TR engine here. Really nice and clean, nicely detailed engine compartment. correct body tags fitted as well. So this is a later car with the raised hinges. These cars have, you know, just better body pressings. They're a bit more rigid. The panels stay in better shape, not having any wood in them. They're now all made with steel, and as you can see here, it's a raised hinge car, so it's one of the later series. But yeah, we're gonna be posting a driving video. So as I was saying there, if you're in the market for a really good, honest, great driving, very nice cosmetically restored TR3A, this is our 1960, finished in signal red, MATADOR red trim, white top, 4-speed, 60-spoke wire wheels with brand new hubs fitted. Excellent running driving car. We're going to be posting a driving video shortly, and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.